I'd like to say that most of the time toilets have two bolts that stick up from the concrete. They're usually wet set into the concrete when they pour the foundation, and those hold the toilet to the ground. In this case, we didn't have those. The monkey who installed the toilet before put silicone around the whole thing. He was a silicone king, I tell you what, to hold everything in. So that's how the toilet was held into place. This is how you fix that if you have nothing, no bolts coming up from the concrete. There is a solution, so you don't have to deal with just silicone. You can fix it right. Here's how you do it.
I'm trying to make more holes in this. Oh. Damn. I make nose things. Okay.
That head snapped off, so I just drilled it next to it. Oh God. I forgot to pull off the old wax ring. Okay, lift that up.
Jeez. Jamie.
Lift it up. Okay, now move it over the hole.
I can hold this on.
Okay, go back.
I can't really.
Okay, set yours in down, Jamie.
What?
Set your end down.
Sit down there.
Okay, move out of the way. Rachel and Jamie, come grab that.
Now what's this side?
Yeah, set it down. No, not further back. Okay, set it down.
Right about here is when I realized that I forgot to put the bolts in that hold the toilet down. So we had to pull the toilet up, and we had to put those bolts in, and we had to carefully fish the bolts up through the holes without damaging the wax ring, which is the most difficult part of this.
Are you done for now?
Yep. If you're interested, we have a couple more videos in this particular bathroom remodel. We have one where we go over some of the drywall, and then we have one where we tile the entire shower. We redo the shower pan and everything. It's all from 2x4s back up to new stuff. Check out the other videos we made about the bathroom remodel. We'll put a link for them. Thanks for watching.